Hello everyone, welcome back to SaaS Junction. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can skyrocket your WordPress website to the next level with the all-new Hostinger's Object Cache. So let's get started. Hostinger is one of the best share hosting providers in the world. Everyone loves them due to their fast speed and affordable hosting plans, as we have never faced any issues with their hosting since their customer care executives are highly skilled and they reply within minutes. Hostinger has recently introduced an object cache which will make our websites run at even higher speeds. So what exactly is Litespeed's meme cache? Litespeed meme cache is a caching system that helps website run faster by reducing the database load. It saves frequently used data in memory so that the website can be opened quickly if someone visits the web page next time. This saves time and uses fewer resources compared to having it fetch the same information from a database. So, in simple terms, Object Cache is a caching system in a server level. Litespeed meme cache works only with a specific type of web server. However, Hostinger uses Litespeed web server software to accelerate the WordPress website performance. And Litespeed web server is fully compatible with the Litespeed meme cache. It means that your WordPress website will run smoothly and faster with Hostinger now. So now let's see how we can enable the Litespeed and Object Cache for our WordPress website. So inside the Hostinger dashboard, you can see the all new Object Cache option. You'll just have to turn on the toggle. So now the Object Cache is enabled successfully for a WordPress website. It's this simple. There is just a toggle option here. Inside the Object Cache settings, you can see meme cache extension is enabled now. So now you'll just have to toggle on the Object Cache and save changes, and voila, the Object Cache has been installed on your website successfully. Also make sure to enable the Litespeed option first, since the Object Cache toggle will be only visible when the Litespeed option is enabled. So there you have it. With Hostinger's all new Object Cache feature, you can boost your WordPress website speeds and performance. If you have any questions, do comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction for more amazing SaaS content. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.